Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we can discuss about big truck accident lawyer. When massive trucks collide on the road, the damage is often on a huge scale. If you or a loved one has been involved in a big truck accident, you are likely facing overwhelming medical bills, lost luggage, and emotional trauma. That's where a skilled big truck accident lawyer comes in to help you fight for justice and fair compensation. Read on to learn more about how these legal experts can support you during this difficult time. Truck accidents are on the rise. The number of truck accidents is increasing every year. In 2017, there were over 4,000 fault truck accidents in the United States, which is a 20% increase from the previous year. The majority of these cases are caused by driver error, such as distracted driving, speeding, or driving under the influence. If you or someone you love has been injured in a truck accident, you need an experienced big truck accident lawyer on your side. The lawyers at our firm have decades of experience handling these complex cases and can help you get the compensation you deserve. Contact us today for a free consultation. What causes truck accident? There are many causes of truck accident, but some of the most common include distracted driving. Truck drivers are often required to drive for long hauls and can become easily distracted. This can lead to them not paying attention to the road and causing an accident. Again, because truck drivers often have to drive for a long period of time, they can become fatigued. This can make them less able to focus on the road and more likely to cause an accident. Impaired driving. Truck drivers may be impaired by drugs or alcohol, which can obsessively impact their ability to drive safely. Next one is speeding. Truck drivers may be tempted to speed in order to make delivery deadlines, but this obsessively increases the risk of an accident. Next one is poor vehicle maintenance. If a truck is not properly maintained, it can break down or have other issues that increase the risk of an accident. Who is at fault in a truck accident? There are many factors that can contribute to a truck accident, and it is often difficult to determine who is at fault. If the truck driver was speeding, failed to get the right of way or was driving risky, they may be found at fault. However, if the truck was improperly loaded or maintained, the trucking company may be held liable. An experienced truck accident lawyer will investigate all aspects of the accident to determine who is at fault and ensure that you receive the compensation you deserve. How can a big truck accident lawyer help you? If you have been involved in a big truck accident, a lawyer can help you in many ways. First, they can help you understanding the complex laws and regulations governments these types of accident. They can also help you gather evidence and build a strong case against the trucking company or driver responsible for the accident. Additionally, a lawyer can negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf to get you the best possible settlement. Steps to get if you have been in a truck accident. If you have been in a truck accident, there are a few steps you should take to ensure you get the compensation you deserve. First, seek medical attention immediately, even if you don't think you are injured. It's important to get checked out by a doctor as soon as possible. Second, contact an experienced truck accident lawyer. An attorney can help you navigate the complex legal process and fight for the maximum compensation possible. Finally, gather evidence from the scene of the accident, including photos and witness settlements. This will be critical in building your case and ensure you get the justice you deserve. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again in next videos.